The human body has over 60,000 miles of blood vessels, which is enough to circle the Earth over 23 times. Blood vessels are essential for life, transporting oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body while removing waste products. But did you know that there are many other fascinating facts about them? In today's video, we will be exploring 10 amazing facts about blood vessels that you never knew you needed. So make sure to watch until the end. Number 10, the largest blood vessel in the human body is the aorta. The aorta is the main artery that carries oxygenated blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. The aorta is responsible for supplying blood to all of the organs and tissues in the body, including the brain, heart, and lungs. The aorta carries oxygen-rich blood from the left ventricle of the heart to the rest of the body. It is the main artery in the systemic circulation. The aorta is thick-walled and elastic, which allows it to withstand and regulate the high pressure generated when the heart pumps blood. The ascending aorta rises from the left ventricle. Aortic arch curves over the heart and gives off major branches supplying the head, neck, and arms. Descending thoracic aorta runs down through the chest, supplying the chest wall and organs. Abdominal aorta continues down into the abdomen, supplying abdominal organs and splitting into the iliac arteries for the legs. Number 9. Blood vessels can constrict and dilate. Blood vessels have the ability to change their diameter, which allows the body to regulate blood flow and pressure. When the muscles in the blood vessel walls contract, the vessels constrict, which increases blood pressure and makes it harder for blood to flow through. On the other hand, when the muscles relax, the vessels dilate, which lowers blood pressure and makes it easier for blood to flow. This ability is important for maintaining homeostasis and ensuring that the body's organs receive adequate blood flow. Number 8. The smallest blood vessels are called capillaries. Capillaries are tiny thin-walled blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. They are only one cell thick, which allows for the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between the blood and the body's tissues. Capillaries are so small that red blood cells have to squeeze through them in single file, which slows down the blood flow and allows for more efficient exchange of substances. There are billions of capillaries in the human body, providing a vast surface area for the exchange of materials between the blood and the body's cells. Number 7. Veins have valves to prevent backflow. Veins are blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Unlike arteries, veins have to work against gravity to move blood upwards towards the heart. To help overcome this, veins have one-way valves that prevent the blood from flowing backwards. These valves open when blood flows towards the heart and close when blood tries to flow the opposite direction. If these valves fail to function properly, blood can pool in the veins and cause swelling in the legs and ankles. Veins carry blood back toward the heart, usually against gravity, especially in the legs. What is the problem of backflow? Because the pressure in veins is much lower than in arteries, blood can tend to fall backward if unassisted. The solution: venous valves. Veins, especially in the arms and legs, contain one-way flap-like valves. These valves open when blood flows toward the heart. They close if blood starts to fall backward, preventing backflow. How it works with movement: when leg muscles contract like walking or standing on tiptoe. They squeeze the veins, pushing blood upward. Valves make sure it only moves one way, up toward the heart. Clinical importance. If valves become weak or damaged, blood can pool, leading to varicose veins or chronic venous insufficiency. In deep veins, faulty valves can increase risk of deep vein thrombosis. Number 6. The blood vessels are kept together by connective tissue. Blood vessels are not just individual tubes floating around the body. They are held together by a network of connective tissue that provides support and stability. This connective tissue also contains immune cells that help to protect the blood vessels from infection and disease. Without this connective tissue, the blood vessels would be too fragile and could easily rupture or leak blood. Number 5. Blood vessels can regenerate. If a blood vessel is damaged, the body has the ability to repair the damage and grow new blood vessels to replace the old ones. This process is called angiogenesis, and it is essential for wound healing and the growth of new tissues. During angiogenesis, endothelial cells, which line the inside of blood vessels, multiply and form new blood vessel sprouts. These new vessels then connect to the existing network of blood vessels, restoring blood flow to the damaged area. Number 4. Blood vessels play an important role in thermoregulation. The body needs to maintain a constant temperature in order to function properly, and the blood vessels play an important role in this process. When the body gets too hot, the blood vessels near the skin surface dilate, which helps to release heat from the body. On the other hand, when the body gets too cold, the blood vessels constrict, which helps to conserve heat. This ability to control blood flow to different parts of the body allows the body to maintain a stable internal temperature despite changes in the external environment. Number 3. Blood vessel blockages are common. Blockages in the blood vessels can occur due to various factors, such as plaque buildup in the arteries or blood clots in the veins. These blockages can restrict blood flow and cause serious health problems. For example, a blockage in the coronary artery can lead to a heart attack, while a blockage in the brain's blood supply can cause a stroke. It is important to adopt a healthy lifestyle and seek medical attention when necessary to prevent and manage blood vessel blockages. Number 2. Some people have extra blood vessels. Most people have 2 sets of blood vessels, one for oxygenated blood and one for deoxygenated blood. However, some people are born with an extra set of blood vessels called the Vitellin system. This system connects the digestive system directly to the liver and is present in about 20% of the population. While the Vitellin system is not essential for survival, it can cause problems if it becomes blocked or inflamed. Human circulation is highly variable. While most people share the same major arteries and veins, some individuals develop extra vessels during embryonic development. Why does this happen? In the womb, the circulatory system forms from many temporary vessels. Normally, some of these vessels disappear as the main pathways develop. Sometimes, they remain, creating extra blood vessels. Fun fact, recent studies show the persistent median artery in the forearm is becoming more common in modern humans, possibly due to evolutionary changes. Number 1. The walls of blood vessels contain smooth muscle. The smooth muscle in the blood vessel walls helps to regulate blood flow and maintain blood pressure. When the muscle cells in the blood vessel walls contract, the vessels constrict, which increases blood pressure and reduces blood flow. Conversely, when the muscle cells relax, the vessels dilate, which decreases blood pressure and increases blood flow. This ability to adjust the diameter of blood vessels is essential for maintaining homeostasis and ensuring that the body's organs receive adequate blood flow. Blood vessels are an essential part of the human body and perform a vital function of transporting blood throughout the body. From the smallest capillaries to the largest aorta, each vessel plays a unique role in keeping us alive and healthy. What was the most amazing fact about the blood vessels? Please let us know in the comments. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing structures and encourage you to stay tuned for more videos about the human body and other topics. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.